Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajeel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your PC or laptop faster. So first of all, go to your search bar and search for Task Manager. After it has opened, go for Startup Apps. Now you need to disable all the unwanted startup apps which can boost your boot up speed. Now click here and click on disable. Like I disabled Spotify. Now I'm disabling Internet Download Manager and any app you don't want to start up when you boot up the computer. The second thing you can do is go to the search bar and click on search for run and click on the app. Now here you need to type TEMP and click OK. Now click continue. After that you need to select all these files and delete it. These are the temporary files and you can just delete them. Now for the third time, go for the search bar again and search for run. And now instead of searching for TEMP, also put in percentage mark and TEMP and select on OK. Now after it, also delete all these files. These are just a temporary files, so you can delete them without thinking about any loss. And some of them cannot be deleted, so you can just skip them. Now once again search for run app in the search bar and now type prefetch, then click on OK. After that, also delete these files. These are just a temporary files. You can repeat this process after 1 week or less. Click on delete, and some of them cannot be deleted, just skip them. So guys, last but not the least, once again go to the search bar and search for MRT and click on it. So guys, it's a command and it will remove all the viruses or any malware from your computer which can be slowing down your system. So it's a tool, it's free, and you can use it easily. So after coming here, click on next, and from here you can select quick scan, full scan, or customized scan, and I will recommend go for next scan, and it will take 10 minutes or 20 minutes or less. It will remove all the malware and viruses from your computer, and it will help your PC to get faster. So guys, that's all. If you want more such videos, then make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.